You wanna see Michelle?
Alright, 3, 2, 1.
Today I'll be surprising ZHC with a custom pair of shoes. But before I show you his reaction, here's how I made them.
Yeah.
Alright, 3, 2, 1.
Whoa!
Oh!
Michelle, you have Louis Vuitton brand slick.
I have Louis Vuitton shoes now.
Michelle's
Wow.
Michelle's first pair of Louis Vuittons.
And it has
Aww.
like bunny money.
Bunny money? Bunny money.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
What are
Oh
the
my
carrots
God.
doing there?
It's
That's the currency.
23
Oh.
carat.
Oh, yeah, instead of big diamonds, you got a lot of carrots there.
Wow, this is so pretty. It's such a pretty pink too.
Oh, wait. Are these
How
like
did you-
stenciled and airbrushed?
Big time.
That's
How did
sick.
you do that? That's
sick.
so cool.
Let me see. Are you ready for these?
Are those mine?
Yeah, those are yours. Or should we, let's wait till yours is last. Let's open Leo's first. Keep the suspense rolling. These are for Leo.
Wait, so I'm gonna react for Leo, right?
Yeah, we all gotta react for it.
Oh, we should all go like, No, I'm just kidding. All right, Leo, these are for you.
3, 2, 1. Wow, that's
Wait
gorgeous.
till you see the tag on the tongue though.
The tag on the tongue? Whoa! Yo, this man put his own leather on the tongue, and he even custom printed it. There's ostrich leather on the tongue. Look at that.
Oh my gosh, that's sick.
Were you expecting this?
Whoa.
I mean, I gotta make them special for
Leo's
everybody.
his favorite.
Alright. After you, sir.
You wanna see Michelle?
Alright, 3, 2, 1. Wow. Look at this.
Ridiculous.
Do you guys see that? That is so
bags.
cool. Look. Faith, that's sick, right? That's sick.
How did you mix the colors? That's so cool.
Whoa, wait, look at the back. You're so cool.
This is amazing. I love it. Try it on.
See.
Wow.
That's
Wait, what are you doing?
She's got the shoes.
We
gotta take some photos.
Bro, so my question is, how much do we owe you?
That's all for you to decide. You already just flew me out, so.
Let's see, Michelle, we can either do 1 million, or we can do 1 million. No, I'm just kidding. If you guys aren't subscribed to Parkside, what are you doing? You gotta be crazy not to subscribe.
Press the button right there.